Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice beer. Making delicious rice beer at home is simpler than you might think, and we will guide you through each step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You will need 4 cups of cooked white rice, completely cooled, along with 1 packet of active dry yeast, which is about 7 grams. Also, have 4 cups of clean, filtered water ready and a large, sanitized glass jar for fermentation. These basic items are all you need to begin your brewing adventure. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the mixture. First, spread your 4 cups of cooked and cooled rice onto a clean, flat surface. This helps it dry out just a little. Next, take your 1 packet or 7 grams of active dry yeast and sprinkle it evenly over the rice. Using clean hands or a sanitized spoon, gently mix the yeast thoroughly into the rice. Once combined, carefully transfer this yeast-rice mixture into your large, sanitized glass jar, ensuring it is ready for the next step. With your rice and yeast combined, it is time for the magic of fermentation. Carefully pour your 4 cups of clean, filtered water directly over the rice mixture in the glass jar. Do not stir it too vigorously. Now, seal the jar loosely with its lid, or attach an airlock if you have one, to allow gases to escape safely. Place your jar in a cool, dark spot, ideally maintaining a consistent temperature. Let this mixture ferment undisturbed for about 5 to 7 days, watching for small bubbles. Congratulations, your rice beer is almost ready. After 5 to 7 days of fermentation, it is time to separate the liquid from the solids. Carefully pour the entire contents of your jar through a fine mesh strainer lined with several layers of cheesecloth. Gently press the remaining rice solids to extract every last drop of that delicious liquid. Transfer your freshly strained rice beer into clean bottles or a serving pitcher. Chill it thoroughly for several hours, and then it is ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.